Bitcoin's gonna dump. Bitcoin's gonna dump. Bitcoin dump. Bitcoin dump. Yo, what's going on, everyone? Good to see you guys. We're gonna start here in a second. Stock market dumped, DXY pumping. Not a good sign for crypto. We'll talk about that today. What's going on, Kennedy? Jordan can't spit? It's probably a good thing. You don't want me to. What's up, Marco? What's up, Miller? What's up, Trevor? I love how you guys call this bear music. Oh, God. Horse guy is if Lifer and Wendy O had a baby. It's actually facts. Yo. Clint, what's on, man? What's up, Farouk? Ruben, bullish crypto, what's up, man? Play fingers down my spine? Oh, that's coming up next, man. I will run my fingers right down your spine. Don't worry. Don't worry, man. I will run my fingers right down all your spines. Will Bitcoin dump today? We don't know. It's going down. It's getting giant. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not going to do it again. I'm not going to do it again, guys. I promise. All right? Max said I'm more beautiful than Ben Cowan. I hope so. All right. I'll see you guys in a little bit, man. Bitcoin looks like it's coming back down to test the lows again. We know the stock market absolutely dumped today. DXY is going absolutely nuts. It's going to be another day, another Friday. We got stuff going on tomorrow, man. Clint, man, you gotta chill, Clint. The only vector candle I see is that giant green vector candle that the Celtics stuck up Curry and Draymond's ass last night. That's the only vector candle I saw. Straight up their ass. We filled that vector candle. Come on, man, make me laugh in the chat. Give me some good fingers down my spine jokes. Come on. Someone said this is worse than Jeb's music. Yo, what's going on, all my fingers? Rubbing right down my spine, man. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I see everyone's already in here today. We'll get the show started in a second. Looks like Bitcoin might be timing this pretty well. Looks like we're coming back down to test the lows as we speak. Couldn't have been perfect timing. We know we had the stock market dump. We had the DXY pump. Not a good recipe for crypto. We're going to talk about that today, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you guys can smack up that like button before we get started. Okay, I know you guys like fingers up my spine, all right? I know you do. I know you do. Don't be hating on fingers on my spine, man. All right, so we're going to talk about everything today. Can we expect a dump for BTC? That's what we're going to talk about today, all right? All right, I'll see you guys in a sec. Yeah, see you guys in a sec. All right, see you guys in a sec. Well, look at Bitcoin. It's dumping. Finally, it's been the most boring market ever. Yes. Yes. What car should I get next? What car should I get? Hey, Keith, what car should I get? Clint, what car should I get? I saw the new Mercedes. I think I'm going to get that with no top. Yeah, that's the one I'm going to get. All you sucker bulls falling for every pump. Did you see the stock market today? We're going straight down to downtown, all right? Straight down to downtown. Suck it. Suck it. All right, we're going to start here, man. Listen. Hold on. We're going to start here, man. Why are we in Jabba's room? Oh my God, man, I gotta get out of here. It smells like Chinese food and depression in here. Hold on. It smells like Chinese food and depression. Here we go. All right, we're out of Jabba's room. Yo! What's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? A Mustang? Keith, I don't know if Jabba wants a Mustang. All right, guys, we're going to jump right into the charts here. But I hope everyone had a fantastic day. We know we have a couple things going on in the charts, right? So it's not just Bitcoin we're worried about right now. We're going to talk about that. But, guys, can we first say that I don't have to eat White Castle today? No White Castle for your boy, okay? Celtics won, absolutely just destroyed the Warriors. Draymond crying like a little bitch, all right? Let's get a pump song in the chat for the Celtics winning Game 3. They got Game 4, and they're going to lose Game 6. Lose Game 5, win Game 6. Let's get it, man. Come on, bro. No White Castle for your boy. Let's back up the like button for the Celtics winning, man. I know some of you guys are probably Golden State Warriors fans. You're probably mostly bandwagoners, to be honest. But that's okay. That's okay. Hold on. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it in the chat. Jabba's gonna go down in Goblin Town. Let's see. Come on, man. Let's get it. Let's have it go, losers. Come on, man. All right, so what do we got going on for BTC? Well, guys, on the 1 hour time frame, I mean, man, Bitcoin is being more boring than ever, right? More boring than ever. And quite frankly, there's just not much going on for BTC. But that's not what's important that we should talk about today, man. Because if we look at what Bitcoin's doing, it's really just trying to hold support here, right? It's trying to hold support, but it keeps making lower highs, lower lows. It looks like it wants to dump, all right? But here's what I'll say, man. We got this little, I guess you can maybe call it descending triangle pattern on the RSI, right? I love the patterns on the RSI. I actually like patterns better on the RSI than I do price action, right? Why do I like those? Well, quite frankly, they tend to play out very, very well. So if this does break to the downside here on tonight's stream, watch for Bitcoin to get a move back down to this yellow vector candle down here. We still have a pool of liquidity that we come back down and take down here on this yellow vector candle. Back down towards the $29,500, $29,700 region if Bitcoin does break to the downside here. So let's watch that in the short terms. We're kind of struggling with that 50 EMA. We can't get any momentum above the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. I'm looking for a dump. Let's freaking get busy. I currently have a short in on Link. Okay, I have a chain link short in at the moment. We'll see if I get wrecked. I don't know. I got in at about I think it was like $9.20 on my chain link short. So I'm not short Bitcoin, but I am short chain link. Looked like a better opportunity for me to just let you guys know what trades I do have in. I'm shorting Link the Slink. It's kind of offensive. Okay, it's kind of offensive that we can short Link the Slink. But Jordan, you can't short a coin you own. There's no point. Why are you gonna short a coin that you literally own? You literally own it. There's no point. You're losing money on your hodl bag, and you're shorting it too. It's ridiculous. It's literally ridiculous. You can't short Link the Slink. We love Link the Slink in this family. Gee. I am shorting Link the Slink, though. I am shorting Link the Slink. Trevor said, how dare you? It is kind of offensive, huh? It is kind of offensive. Humpty Dumpty said, I'm short 944. Nice, man. He said, last year I never would imagine Jordan shorting all over the place. I read that as I wouldn't imagine Jordan shitting all over the place. Which that I guess that would be kind of accurate, too. You guys know, that would be kind of accurate, too. How do you know which way the market is going to go? You are so smart. Chewy, you are such a good troll, man. Let me tell you about Chewy. Chewy has been watching my stream forever. Chewy is literally such a good troll. All right. Bring the horse guy. Oh, the horse guy is going to make an appearance, man. Just wait for the dump. He put in a massive 100x long right here at the top because he thought we were gonna go to the upside. Trust me, the horse guy is coming, man. All right, let's see. So Crane with the massive super chat to start the stream. I appreciate you, Crane. We also had who else was up here? I saw Kennedy did a super chat, and I also saw. Let me go back up here. I want to make sure I get you guys up here on the top of the chat before we get started here. Bitcoin hanging on at support right now, hanging on for dear life. Will it continue to hold? That is the question, right? So yeah, thanks for being here, guys, and it's gonna be a good stream, man. It's gonna be a good stream. We're gonna watch it. We're gonna check out some alts. We're gonna check out the S&P. We're gonna check out DXY and all the fun jazz that we look at every single day. I'm drinking coffee today. No Bud Light for me. No beers for me. Listen, man. I don't even need to. The Celtics won. They got all the positivity that I needed. Holy moly, we got people flying on outside. Let's see. Let's see. Drop your shorts, see the moon. I don't know about that. All right, let's go to the daily time frame, guys. To me, I mean, nothing much has really changed here. I think what we want to see for the bulls, right? We want to see the bulls, and we want to hold this upward sloping support line, guys. If we go into tomorrow, right? Why is the title the way it is, right? First of all, why is the title the way it is? Well, you had the NASDAQ drop today, right? We had that ascending triangle in the NASDAQ, ascending triangle in the S&P. They literally both dumped, right? So the NASDAQ, you guys can see, dumped here about 3 points to the downside. 300. And then we had the S&P 500 also break that ascending triangle to the downside, right? You know, sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles, right? So we are getting pretty big moves to the downside here on both the S&P and the NASDAQ, right? Not only that, but we also have the DXY, which is starting to moon again, all right? Rest in peace, DXY. That's no good. That's no good. Oh, God, here comes the horse guy. No, you can't long this horse guy. Whoa! Look at the DXY. I'm going 100x long on the DXY. Where do I long this? George, can you do a video on DXY? This looks like such a good coin. Wow, this looks like the best crypto ever. Wow, how do I long the DXY? Yeah, I've been investing for 3 months. Yeah, the DXY looks so good. How do I long this? How do I long this? Yeah, George. All right, here's what I'll say, man. That's not even funny because there's probably someone out there. There's literally probably someone out there that wants to long that wants to long the DXY and literally doesn't know. Literally, Waterfly literally doesn't know that it's an index and it's not a coin. Someone probably thinks this is a coin, man, and that's the funny part of this. You know what I'm saying? No comment, said Keith. Keith, I love you, man. I don't know what no comment is, but it is what it is. All right. So, yeah, DXY continuing to move up. S&P, NASDAQ dropping. That's typically not a recipe for success for Bitcoin. So before we get started with Bitcoin, I wanted to give you guys the backdrop of what I'm looking at here. All right, so tomorrow we have the inflation report, right? So what will that bring? Okay, I think, you know, what we kind of said yesterday is, could we see an initial move that's going to set the market makers up for whatever actual move they want to do on Friday, right? The issue I'm seeing with that philosophy is Bitcoin hasn't moved yet, right? Bitcoin's just kind of staying in a range while everything else is kind of picking a direction, right? You got stocks picking a direction, you got DXY picking a direction, but Bitcoin hasn't picked a direction, which is very weird. Very, very weird. Usually before these news events, you're going to see a move in one direction, one way or the other, right? And then that's kind of going to be either the whales setting up their shorts to push it back to the downside, or whales setting up their longs to push it back to the upside. We haven't seen either. It's just kind of a boring, flat, freaking market, right? There's really not much. Going on here, right? So here's the thing, man. I got to give this the bias to the downside because we also have liquidity to come back down to the downside, right? If we go back to the daily, what we want to see for the bulls, guys, this is what we want to see for all our bulls out there. Guys, we got to hit 800 likes on today's stream. We're not messing around today, okay? And can I do a quick rant alert real quick? Because this is what I used to say, and it used to work, okay? Which is 100% facts.
Rant alert.
Okay? For all my guys in the chat, okay? This is mostly for my guys in the chat, okay? You guys watch my stream every single day, okay? And I hope I provide you some type of entertainment, okay? If I don't bring value, I hope it's at least entertainment, which entertainment is a form of value, okay? Here's what I'm going to say, man. You guys will go on Instagram and like chicks' photos that you don't even know, okay? They haven't done anything for you, okay? But you won't like someone's stream who you watch for hours every single day. Smack that freaking like button, man. I'm just spitting straight facts here. Smack that freaking like button. We're getting back on that grind, man. All right? I'm being dead serious. Yeah, I mean, girls can do it too. I don't know if girls do that as much as guys do, but it's true. All right. So let's continue on. let's continue on. So what we want to see for the bulls, right, is if we do get a dump tomorrow, which, guys, it's not 100%, right? There is literally no, okay? There is literally no, you are amazing, thank you. I'm only spitting facts. I'm only spitting facts, man, okay? I'm not trying to be rude. I'm only spitting facts. Here's what I'm looking at, guys. Here's what I'm looking at. For the bulls, you want to hold the support line tomorrow. If this does break, all right? If this does break to the downside here, that could be the break of this big bear flag we're watching right now, guys, right? And we have a target of that. I don't want to be the Debbie Downer of all Debbie Downers, okay? I'm just trying to tell you guys what I see in the charts. Guys, if this does break down, it's almost the exact same scenario we had up here during this big bear flag as well, okay? Big bear flag, wedge formation, whatever you want to call it, right? We broke this to the downside. That led to further down price action. What we want to see tomorrow is if we get a dump, either tonight or tomorrow, we want to hold this region right around 29,400 to 29,500, right? Whatever day we come up here. We want to come back down and we want to hold the support. If this breaks, well, we have a measure move target to the downside, right? I don't love measure moves. They don't always work out that way, but, right, if you want to take this as a wedge, right, measure move will be back down towards the wick. Back down, whatever, what we have done. We have done like 25,000. Doesn't show on this chart, but back down to take this wick, which I have kept saying. I do think we're going to come back down and take this wick, okay? And we're going to form a W formation, and that's going to be the point where we get that move to the upside, all right? I'm going to continue to stick by that. That's the case for the bulls. You want to hold that support. For the bears, we break this tomorrow. We break this next week because we know we have stuff going on next week. Doesn't necessarily have to be tomorrow. That's the move that I've been waiting for, man. That's the move I've been waiting for. And if you look at this, quite frankly, right, what does this look like to you on the shorter term time frames, right? If we actually take it like this, what does this look like? Let me bring my, why can't I find it, man? Oh my God, I feel like Bob right now. There we go. One hit to the upside, second hit to the upside, M formation back down to the downside, all right? If the neckline breaks, which also the bear flag breaks, right? So, to me, I can't see, and I've been telling you guys this, I can't see Bitcoin pumping at the current moment, okay? I can't do it. People don't even have money right now. Where is the money going to come from, guys? We looked at this yesterday, but we have record spending on credit cards, okay? Literally, since 1980. Record spending on credit cards. People do not have money right now, okay? It might not be for us, just us, but people do not have money, right? So I still think we got to go a little bit lower before we go back up. Not trying to be a Debbie Downer. I'm just being a realist. If it doesn't happen that way, guess what? I have my hodl bags ready to freaking go to the upside. But let me tell you guys, I'm doing a quick rant alert here real quick. If we do get this move to the downside, you guys better freaking take advantage wherever you had a plan. Wherever you're freaking planning, whether your plan is 28K, 27K, 26K, 25K, 20K, why I have saliva in my mouth, I have no idea. You guys better take advantage whatever your target is. Don't be a freaking pussy when the price drops, okay? You're not going to have that many more opportunities in my freaking opinion, okay? And I don't want to see, whenever Bitcoin does recover, saying, Jordan, should I buy now? I don't want to see the horse guy, okay? Coming out of here when we get to 40K, 50K. I don't want to see this guy. I don't want to see you be this guy. Jordan, should I buy now? I had weeks. I had months. I had months to accumulate low. It's at 50K now. Should I buy? Is this a good time to buy? I love buying green candles. Yeah, I love buying green candles. Yeah, green candles are awesome to buy. Yeah, George told me gonna go up, so I buy green candles. Don't be that guy. I don't want to hear it. I will have no sympathy. I will have zero sympathy for you. If you do not accumulate low, I will have absolutely zero sympathy, okay? Zero. And I know that sounds ruthless. I'm just going to be honest, okay? Favor fortunes the bold. If you don't have the balls to be bold, I don't know what to tell you, okay? You're going to be FOMOing in just like you did this past bull market. Just being honest, man, all right?
Rant alert.
All right. Glue sniffing. But anyways, I did have to get that rant out of the way, man. I have to get that rant out of the way. You don't have why you have saliva in your mouth. Dude, sometimes when I go nuts talking, I get so much saliva just built in my mouth, man. Like, I just talk and the saliva just keeps building up. It just doesn't go away. And saliva. Okay? Okay, go all in, Jordan. Call. Small buys under 30K, man. That's what I'm doing. which, quite frankly, we're sitting right on top of 30K as we speak. You know what I'm saying? It's starting to get disturbing. Why are we talking about saliva? What's wrong with saliva? It's a natural body thing. We're not talking about anything nasty. Jordan being mean today? I'm not being mean. I'm just being real, man. Okay? This world is way too soft. All right? And someone needs to be real. Someone in the space needs to be real. This space is way too soft. All right? Let's continue. So, you had people crying on live stream today. Okay? Trust me. This space... It's all set. It's all set. All right?
Rant alert.
All right, what else do we got going on? Weekly, still kind of the same thing. It's kind of the same thing here on the weekly time frame, man. All right? So, I can't do that. I know the joke you guys want me to do today, and I can't do it, man. I can't bring myself to do it. I'm not going to do the joke. I want to do it, but I'm not going to do the joke today. And I know exactly what joke you guys want to see, but I'm not going to do it, man. Oh, man. All right, we're not going to do that joke. We're not going to do that joke. All right, so anyways. Do it. I know you guys want to see the joke. Maybe I'll do it in a little bit, okay? Go on, do it. I'm probably going to do it at some point. You guys know me. I always say I'm not going to do something, and I do it anyways. Weekly time frame, still the same thing. This is the kind of direction, maybe we don't do this, but this is the kind of direction that I'm looking at for BTC here. My general thought process, guys. I think we're going to get that dump back down to recover this wick. We're going to get a retrace back up, all right? And then we're going to come back down again over the course of the next couple weeks. And then maybe we get a rise back up to the upside. This is the general thought process. Maybe we don't go up this high. Maybe we just, we kind of mosey our way up like this. But this is generally what I'm looking at here, which is in reality just basically sideways with slight moves to the upside and downside. And this is basically would be, the 200 moving average coming over like this, right? A bounce off the 200 moving average, and that would mark the bottom, and we kind of go from there, right? This is still generally my thought process, man. Which, to me, I've been saying, I think we're going to go lower, but it's not going to be that much lower, in my personal opinion, right? So take it for what you will. Just my thought process there. What else we got? I know a lot of people are looking at this, bigger macro falling wedge, which, to me, it's a little bit too much, it's a little bit too much of a longer-term time frame. I don't know. I want to see one more touch on the top side before I get too, I start to take this a little bit more seriously. I like to see at least 3 touches on both sides. But we have 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. I want to see one more touch to confirm this. But, if something like this was going to play out, right? I know a lot of people like this stuff. Let's extend it all the way out to see the time frame. It would be somewhere in 2023 would be the absolute latest this would go on. Like I said, this is maybe a little bit of hopium because it's usually bullish patterns that break to the upside. But nevertheless, something that we can keep an eye on as we kind of go along. You know what I'm saying? It's some dubious speculation. Exactly, Steve. Dubious speculation. Where's my guy? Ben Cowan when you need him, man? Where's my guy Ben Cowan? Ben. Hold on. Let's bring on Ben. My guy Ben Cowan here. Hold up. Come on, man. Thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Guys, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, a falling wedge theory. If you guys like the video, make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. And you can also follow the premium list, which you can find in the description below. Now let's jump on in. So, guys, I've seen a lot of people talking about this falling wedge formation, and to me, it's a little bit of dubious speculation. We're trying to hold this support right now, which I also think is dubious speculation. And, quite frankly, I will say, even if we get a move up here, I don't think we can be scheduling our Forbes interviews just yet, right? I don't think we can schedule our Forbes interviews just yet. I think it's a little bit too early to say. And until we get back above the bull market support band, even if we do break to the upside here, I can't get too excited, man. I can't get too excited. Altcoins are going to continue to bleed against Bitcoin. That's all I've been talking about for months. Altcoins will continue to bleed against Bitcoin. Ethereum will continue to bleed against Bitcoin. And that's really all I have to say on today's video, okay? Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Make sure to like the subscribe, and also go follow the premium list, which you can find in the description below. Bye. Thank you for the T1 analysis, Ben. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate you, Ben. You never looked more terrifying. I keep saying it, but you keep getting more scary looking. Miller, how am I getting more scary looking, man? I think I get more beautiful and beautiful, beautiful every single day. Okay? Every single day. I think I get more beautiful. You guys think I look more tan today, by the way? Let me know in the chat. Dave said no more dubious speculation. Ben, a $10 ADA is out of the question this cycle? Yes. A $10 ADA is out of the question this cycle. I think we're in a bear market still. So yes. What else we got? I know a lot of people are watching for this 3-day MACD cross. That's going to end. This is the new week. We haven't confirmed this yet, guys. Like, I know we talked about this yesterday, but if Bitcoin dumps in the next 3 days, this crosses ain't going to happen. We're going to cross right back down to the downside, right? So keep that in mind. I know a lot of people talk about this 3-day MACD cross. Man, this is you can't take this you can't say this yet until we get that confirmed close with the cross, okay? Because you could see a fake out. You could get a dump here in the next 3 days, and the MACD could cross right back over to the downside, right? So wait for the close. Ain't nothing been confirmed yet, as we would say here. So keep an eye on that MACD, man. Let's see. You look beautiful, darling. Thank you, Richard. 23-cent ADA, said Keith. Holy moly. What's Link up to right now? Link's at 922. Link. I know I'm a Marine, but I need you to do one thing, Link. Dump it. Friggin' dump it, Link. I'm sick. It's mooning right now. Leave it to me. All right. Let's say it here. Bear trend. No, it's not a bear trend, man. It's a bear market. I don't want to hear none of this bear trend crap anymore. Okay, none of this bear trend crap. All right, what else do we got here? So, guys, I continue to say this too. Like, the daily stock RSI is still topped out. I cannot get excited about Bitcoin. Okay. Rant alert. Until the daily stock RSI resets, and it still hasn't done it. It's kind of like moseyed its way. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. It hasn't done anything. Okay, so I'm still waiting for this to reset. When it resets, we're good to go. But yeah, right now it hasn't really done anything, guys. I'm still waiting for that to reset. Looks like we're getting across again to the downside as we speak. So what will happen next? Remains to be seen. But I still want, before we get a move to the upside, I still want to get this, see this get reset, man. I can't see a major Bitcoin rally with the daily stock RSI topped out, bro. I can't see it. I can't see it whatsoever. Tomorrow, big link. What are you guys saying here? It's a bear trend that lasts months, maybe years. I guess a bear trend and a bear market is literally the same thing, isn't it? Michael said, I'm in a TRX long. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Let's see. Waiting for W to play out for months? Hey, man. Sometimes it's a patience game, bro. It's a patience game. A lot of people that look at this and go, all right, Jordan's been saying this W formation for months. Hasn't been invalidated yet. If anything, it's been invalidated that's been correct so far. We got the big dip to the downside. We came back up, and now we're starting to come back down. Even if it doesn't come back down right away when we go up higher. Still think it's going to come back down. Doesn't matter. I still think it's going to come back down to the lows at some point. Could it go up first? Sure. But we don't know that. And that's why we're here every single day trying to figure it out, you know? You guys like my mug? Give thanks and drink coffee. You know what? Give thanks and drink coffee. Thank you guys for being here every single day. Seriously, give thanks and drink coffee. You know, it's on the mug, so I got to say, you know what I mean? Let's see. Let's look at HNT. HNT is anything, guys, let me know if anything's actually going up right now. Let me see. HNT. Let's see. Let's go to like the let's go back to the 4 hour on HNT. Let's see. Yeah, so HNT had a pretty good day today again. All right, HNT. All right. Just be careful. We're at the 50 EMA. I kind of want to short this. I'm going to be honest. Here you go, man. Let's play the short song. It's the bear market. It's the pump song in the bull market and the short song in the bear market. Come on, man. Hey, let's get HNT going, rocking here. That's a nice, guys. If you bought the bottom, that's a nice return, man. That's like 100% return there. That's the classic W formation, bro. A lot of altcoins saw this, right? You had the wick to the downside, you retraced back up, you came back down, took the wick, and came back up. It's exactly what I want to see for Bitcoin. This is a perfect example of what I want to see for Bitcoin, guys. Is the wick to the downside, the retrace, right? The retrace back down, taking that wick, and then a continuation to the move up. W formation. You're going to see that in every single bottom. Until you ingrain that in your head, I'm going to continue to say it. You're going to see a W formation in every single bottom. You're going to see an M formation in every single top. Okay? Get that in your head. But if we look down, we got a yellow vector candle forming here right at the 50 EMA. So just be careful right here where we are right now. All right? This could be an area that we do reverse back down to the downside. Obviously, a lot of it's going to depend on Bitcoin. But, you know, obviously just keep that in the back of your head when you're looking at this, like looking that you're going to FOMO, okay? You know, a lot of people are going to look at this like it's going to FOMO, and they want to pump it to the upside, right? Where's my horse guy? Wow. Wow, look at HNT. This is the only coin pumping in the bear market. I get a FOMO right now. I'm buying right now. Here we go. I'm buying right now. Here we go. Yes, it's going up. Yes. Wait, we just got confirmation? Yes, we just got confirmation that horse guy just FOMO'd again? This guy's an idiot. He just keeps FOMOing on every coin. We're just going to keep taking his money. Okay, yes, we're at the 50 EMA. Easy as pie. You know what to do now. Dump it. No! What? Manipulation! This is manipulation! I can't even afford ramen! My ramen! Manipulation! George, make a video on this! This is manipulation! I am George. We're all George. Yes, this is manipulation, guys. Every time the Bitcoin price goes down, it's manipulation. Every time it goes up, it's institutions getting into crypto. So yes, it is manipulation. Yes, you're right, horse guy. Now suck it. Anyways, just be careful on that. If I'm going to be honest, man, just be careful on this. You got a little bearish divergence on the 4-hour, and you are at the 50 EMA in the daily, right? So you do have, like we said, you know, if I was a little dubious speculator, I like to short these pumps in the bear market, man. I'm not going to lie. You have lower highs, you have higher highs in the 4-hour, bearish divergence right at the 50 EMA on the daily time frame. All right, so take it for what you will. You do you. I'll tell you what I would do, but you know, I'm just one pleb that sits here on YouTube, man. EGLD looking good. True. It's whalish games, bro. Whalish games. Gongo. Gongo. I don't know where our likes, so keep smacking that like button up, guys. I don't know how many people are in here today. Let's get everyone in here today by smacking up that like button. Hoping we get some price action today, because holy moly, man, the price action has been absolutely abysmal. Abysmal price action today. VeChain partnering with UFC, bullish opinion? Yeah, I mean, it already pumped. But what's just be careful on after you get those news, okay? Because at least in previous bear markets, I mean, good news, you might get an initial pump, but then it retraces. So just be careful with news stuff like that. You know what I'm saying, man? But VeChain, if we go look at VeChain real quick, let's see VeChain. So we got VeChain. Let's go. We got VeChain. So VeChain on the daily, still just in kind of in your range, right? Nothing really has changed here, right? You can't get back over that 20 EMA. You got a blue stopping vector candle here, which typically means that you're probably gonna not necessarily come down, but you're probably gonna retrace that candle at the very, very least. All right. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, still got your daily stocks topped out. 4-hour time frame, get some slight bearish divergence. listen. I would say this, man. If I'm gonna be honest, if I'm gonna be completely honest on this, you got big wicks on the top side. You got a vector candle formation all down here. This most likely gets retraced right back to the 50 EMA, and you also got some bearish divergence on this, right? So you can see right here, you got slightly lower highs, and you got slight. Actually, no, I lied. I lied to you. How could I lie to you? No, but it's probably on a different time frame. But actually, if you took the wicks, so before you probably had bearish divergence, before this retraced, you had bearish divergence. It already retraced, so that already kind of played out. So beforehand, you would have had bearish divergence. You would have had higher highs and lower highs, bearish divergence. But you guys get the point there. But yeah, I would be careful on this one, man. I think this one does retrace back down to the 50. Looks like big selling pressure coming back down to the downside here. So I wouldn't I would wait for a retrace before I even touch VeChain if you're looking to long or quite frankly looking to DCA into this, in my personal opinion, because it got a pretty big move to the upside there. If we're gonna be honest, like 10% move to the upside. I'm shorting VeChain because I don't want to hold it. Nice. Angus Boy channel, what's up, man? Angus Boy became a member. What's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. Welcome, Angus. Angus, is that your actual name? It's kind of cool because I love burgers, and so I love Angus burgers. So if your channel is about Angus burgers, you best bet I'll be watching it, man, because I love burgers. I talked about this earlier today, guys. This is something random here while we watch Bitcoin. If you had to pick three, I want to know what you guys think in the chat. This is totally random, but you guys know I love random questions on this channel. Okay, let me know in the chat. I'm going to pick up my mic for this one. If you had to pick 3 meals and 1 dessert, but you can only eat those meals every single day and that dessert every single day, you can't change it every single day, what would be the 3 meals and what would be the dessert? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the freaking chat. Let's see. Let me guys think. Savvy said VeChain. Nice. Savvy said VeChain is going to 0. Savvy thinks everything's going to 0, guys. That guy, Savvy, listen, this is probably what Savvy does every day. I'm not going to lie. Savvy's been bearish since 2018. I don't know how you can be that negative for that long, but it is what it is. This is probably what Savvy does every day. Another day, another Amazon chart. Bitcoin's going up today. My life sucks. I wish I was a bull. Why did I choose to just make my channel the bearish channel? This sucks. Bitcoin just literally did a 20x this year. Like, how am I a bear still? I have no friends. No one likes me in the crypto space. Oh, God. I guess I'm going to go on a fishing trip and just drown in my sorrows and talk about Elliott waves while I look at the waves. Why am I so bearish? This sucks. I have no crypto friends. Savvy, don't cry. You're gonna make me cry. Savvy, we're making so much money right now. Don't cry, Savvy. Come here, Savvy. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, buddy. Come here. We're bearish together. Come here. Thank you, Jabba. Thank you. Thank you, Jabba. That's probably what happens every single day. All right. You guys think in the chat. Chicken Caesar salad, toasted cheese and ham, and chicken potatoes and veg. Nice. Think of you guys saying up here. Savvy, I would eat white rice and kidney beans with salt and pepper, and that's it. That sounds awful. Every day? That sounds awful. Cheese quesadilla, veggie quesadilla, and refried bean quesadilla, and cheesecake quesadilla. Okay, so just quesadillas. I love quesadillas, too. It's not a bad option. Eggs, bacon, cactus salads. Cactus salads? You can eat a cactus? Since when? With peach cobbler? Okay. You guys have some interesting combos, man. You guys want to know what mine is? Okay, it's corned beef and hash with eggs for breakfast, and then we got Chipotle. You guys are gonna make fun of me for this. Chipotle for lunch. Okay, pizza for dinner. Okay, I should have rephrased this, man. This is assuming that you don't worry about calories. Okay, and for dessert we're going carrot cake. This is assuming we don't care about calories. All right, we'll keep it at that. So Bitcoin's still chilling, man. Bitcoin is so boring right now, man. Holy moly, man. I'm about to do the dumb song just because we're bored. You know? It's crazy. Cactus is common food in Mexico? Really? Is it really? I have no idea you can eat cactus. I am genuinely intrigued now. I need to try a cactus. Do you eat it with the thorns or you take the thorns off? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You guys are probably like, this guy's serious? Obviously, I know that you take the thorns off. Where's the feet? I'm having a flashback. Nice, Wayne. Quite the upgrade from prison food. It's better than White Castle. Oh, man. All right, so we're still waiting on the breakout for BTC. Should happen by tomorrow morning, man. I know that might be kind of broad, but it might be kind of the thing we're looking at here. Carrot cake is fire with a cup of coffee. Really? I've never had it with a cup of coffee either. What else we got? What else we got? Man, there's really not much going on, bro. It's one of those times in crypto right now, man. It's one of those times in crypto. It's called Naples. Bears and Bears. Nice. Soccer around the clock. Bears and Bears and Bears. No calories, Ben and Jerry's times 3. Thanks for asking. Ben and Jerry's is really good. Really freaking good, man. Really freaking good. All right, what else do we got going? I mean, look at the 4 hour, bro. This is giving us no edge. No edge at all. Pump above, bump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump. At least price is coiling up, right? Coiling up, as we say. Okay, at least we're getting lower highs and higher lows, at the very, very least. You know what I'm saying? At least we're getting that. So we should have, guys. Like I said, I think tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day. I do. If I had to lean one way, it'd be down because the stock market's dumped. If I had to lean one way, but that's kind of my thought process there. No, I could come on here and draw stupid patterns that really don't mean anything. But I'm not gonna. You guys, listen. Like this right here, I don't really see any pattern. If you were drawing a pattern out of this, I think you're kind of making it up. The only really pattern I see is this bear flag. That's it. I think every other pattern is kind of out the window right now. There's really no pattern per se other than us just ranging, right? It's the crab market right now. The crab market. That's really all it is at the moment, man. Getting lower highs, sideways lows. That's it. Thomas said pump soon. I don't know about that, but we'll see. Narrowing the channel. Yeah, we're narrowing the channel. Anna said, so you admit TA is useless? TA is not useless, man. Just sometimes it doesn't really give you that much of an edge, right? You want to use the TA when it gives you an edge. I think a lot of people have a misconception about TA, man. A lot of people have a misconception about TA. They think that you always have to know the direction the price is going. You always have to know where it's going. No, there's a lot of times you don't know where it's going. But you wait until you have a good edge, okay? And then you get in trades. You don't just... I think a lot of people think like traders are always in trades. You're always in a trade. No, you're not always in a trade. You're in a trade when you see a good opportunity. Okay? Right now, you got nothing, man. I mean, I don't see anything. I think if, I think I'm in a short because I saw the stock market dump today. Okay? And if you guys are saying Link's pumping, you got to be kidding me, man. Let's go check Link. Let's go check Linkerbacher. Link is pumping. It's coming up. It's coming up a little bit here. It's coming up. What I want to see for Link, for all the Link Marines here. So, what do we like to say on the tops, man? So, here's what we want to see for Link. For all the Link. For the bulls, For Jordan to get liquidated on a short here, or stop to get hit, we want to see a break of the high. Because honestly, if this does move up here, man, I will continue to say, do not get faked out by the fake bear market rallies, man. Right? You have to move to the upside. You got to move to the downside. If you get another move to the upside, do not get faked out by another M formation, man. I will say, wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. If you break the high on the wick, all right, awesome. There might be a good chance you continue up higher. But do not get faked out by another M formation where you have a wick where they're going to come up and take that liquidity just to bring it back down. All right? Do not get faked out on that move. But if you break the highs, all right, awesome. Awesome. We're freaking off to the races, man. But don't get faked out just yet. But right now, I mean, listen. You got the stock RSI bottomed out on the hourly. There's a good chance that Chainlink could get a slight move up here on the short-term time frames. Because if you go to the 15-minute, right, there's probably a W formation at the bottom. Yeah. So you got a nice W formation at the bottom here. You got pop. You got, right here, you got low, up, low, up. So you got the W formation on the lower term time frames. Once again, W formation might push this up just to form another M formation on the top side. So just be careful on this one, man. Because you got that wick up here. They like to come back up and take the wicks before they dump it. So if you break the neckline here at 937, I can see them coming up higher again. And then we kind of go from there. You know what I mean? Did you just say socks? True. True. I'm going down. We're all going down. Creighton said, Wayne, do you really want the same TA every day for the rest of your life? Let's say. The same TA. All right, so yeah, Chainlink's trying to move up here. Let's get a pump song going for Chainlink, man. Actually, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Hey. I break necklines. There you go, Keith. Don't wanna party. Come on, Link. Guys, you might see me sniffling. I might have a giant booger in my nose, so just ignore me. Take it for what you will. There's no volume. I think there is some volume on Chainlink right now, man. I think there is some volume. Here comes Mike. I can hear him screaming downstairs. I can hear him screaming. Let's go check out what he's doing, man. Go check him out. I can hear him screaming downstairs. Oh, Lord. Here we go. There's no volume! There is literally no volume on Bitcoin. But Chainlink is going nuts. I'm all in. There's so much volume on Chainlink. Stop investing in Bitcoin. Invest in Chainlink. There's volume. Oh, wow. All right, Mike is going nuts upstairs, okay? I think Karen's a little horny. Wow. Mike, I love the way you say volume. Can you show me some of your volume? I don't even know who my mom's dating at this point. She's like dated every single guy on the show. All right. Yeah, she's literally dated every single guy in the show, man. I'm a party sugar booger. Oh, man. You're sniffly, bro. Oh. Yeah, she's literally dated every guy in the show. I don't know what to tell you guys anymore about that. Speaking of volume, I had to turn my way down. Jordan Rover. No, we don't do Jordan Rover, man. You look like Dr. Seuss. I do look a little bit like Dr. Seuss, huh? All right. Who directed this? Michael Bay? Oh, Lord. All right. What else we got? Bitcoin chilling. We're still waiting on Link. I guess Link is the star of the show today. What else we got going on, guys? Sugar booger. Chew it. Okay, here we go. Vitalik might want it. Vitalik, you want my booger, bro? Where's Vitalik? Where's Vitalik booger? Vitalik, you want my booger, bro? Oh, he's got his own. Vitalik's got his own booger. Here he goes. I should just do what Vitalik did. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, you guys can't see right here. It's a green screen, and obviously boogers are green, so you guys can't see the boogers here. But there's a whole booger wall, just like Vitalik, man. I learned from Vitalik. You guys know I love ETH, and Vitalik has taught me everything I know. So, shout out to Vitalik, man. All right. Let's see. Link pumps are followed by Bitcoin dumps. Yes, we know this. This is actually facts. Usually when Link is pumping, okay, and we can go back and back test this, guys. Usually when Link pumps without Bitcoin pumping, that usually means a Bitcoin dump is looming, okay? That's literally, okay, what it usually means, okay? So just be careful of this. We've seen this in the past, okay? And it's not like a super reliable indicator. But obviously, just be careful out, guys, because we've seen some shenanigans from Chainlink before, all right? Chainlink has given us some serious shenanigans, all right? Yes! All right, let's see. No one's noticed it yet. Jordan picks boogers and he likes crypto, and he picks crypto poorly. That's what I do, man. All right. Let's continue on. So, what else we got? Index. Oh, let's look at the DXY. DXY is still pumping. It's kind of stalling out here a little bit. DXY. S&P. We know that dumped earlier today. We don't have to check on that. Ethereum, man, Ethereum's like, it tries to break out of this little triangle and then it just makes a bigger triangle, and it's like, dude, Ethereum, can you just give us something, bro? It's annoying at this point. You know what I mean? Let's see. George said you're a scam. Oh, here we go. We got Jorge or George in the chat. Here he comes. Here comes Jorge in the chat. This guy's a scam. Let's just put it in this chat. He's a scam. Here we go. Let me type. This guy is a scam. Yeah, he is. I showed him. Yeah, I showed him. I really showed him. Wow. Let me type it again. This guy is a scam. Okay. Yeah, I need to show my good friend, the Canadian guy. Here we go.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam.
Yeah, it is.
Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense.
Yeah, like me, I'm an idiot.
Scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Yes, we are all financially illiterate. That's why I invest in Shiba. But Bitcoin is a scam. Buy Shiba. No. Jordan is a scam. Keep smacking up that like button, guys. Don't make me do the Instagram meme again, okay? Don't make me do it. It takes 2 seconds. You guys will literally like every girl's picture on Instagram, but you won't like my stream. Come on, man. What's wrong with that picture? Come on, bro. All right, let's see. Oh, man. I love coffee. I've been trying to I did cut out afternoon coffee, but today I needed it, man. I was tired today, man. I was. I don't know why. I was just super, super tired today. Maybe it's the horse guy. Maybe the horse guy's taking it out of me, man. I don't know. Let's see. I've hit it 10 times already. All right, let's see. What else we got? So Chainlink. All right, Chainlink's dumping again. Chainlink's dumping here. Here we go. Chainlink is dumping to the downside. Dump it. It's not really dumping. I just like this. I like the fire on the bottom, okay? Yeah. So ultimately for Chainlink to break out, for this smaller W formation, okay, we want to see a break of the neckline up here at about $99.37. That's how we see the break in the neckline W formation to the upside, man. All right? That's how we see that. All right, all right. Let's see. The short have some life. We do have some life left in the short, man. We're getting there. Bass, you're funny, man. You just in the chat. This guy doesn't know this. This guy doesn't know that. It is funny, man. You always come up with something to say. I have to give you that. I have to give you that, man. We all know you're salty on Link. You leveraged and got wrecked. Oh, I didn't get wrecked. I did not get wrecked, my man. My stop loss is above this wick. Up here. So I did not get wrecked. No wreckage. Zero wreckage. This is a scam because the fire is fake. No, it's on your computer, man. It's on your computer. All right, what else we got? What else we got? What else we got? Yeah, man, there's not really much going on. There's not really much going on, man. I sort of said the same thing yesterday. To me, it's a little bit 50-50, but I have to lean down now because of what happened to the stock market today and what happened to the DXY. I got to lean to the downside for Bitcoin going into tomorrow, right? Before today, to me, it was pretty, like I said, it was pretty 50-50. We didn't really have an edge. You know what I'm saying? Impartial, you did. All right. I'll show you tomorrow. New green dildo. Okay? I will show you tomorrow. If my trade goes the way I expect it to go, okay, I will show you tomorrow and show you that I did not get liquidated. We got a deal, my friend. We got a deal. If I lose, I will also show you. Okay? We got a deal here. We got a deal. Let's see. Tell us about vector candles. There's really not much to tell you guys right now. All I'll tell you guys, I mean, we could do that. I mean, if you go in the charts, right? I mean, listen, a lot of people want to learn this stuff. A lot of people don't care about it, you know? You got to find an even medium here. Why I talk about the more of the short-term time frames right now is quite frankly, man, I'm going to be honest. It's sort of tiring to keep saying, all right, guys, we got a DCA. Have patience. I don't know how George does it every single day, man. It really does get tiring to say the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. You guys know my take, right? I will continue to DCA Bitcoin under 30K. I will buy closer to the 200 SMA, and I will have patience with those holds. That's it. There's nothing really else to say besides that, right? There's nothing really else to say. At this point, you just got to have patience. I still think Bitcoin's going lower, okay? Not necessarily lower than the wick, but at least going back down into, you know, the 27, 26, 25K region, okay, at some point. But that's really it. That's really it. Oscar said, hybrid system is everything. Go learn it. Facts. Absolute facts, man. Absolute facts. I knew he was salty. Green Dido. You got it, man. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Ryan, what's going on, man? Wait, Ryan. Ah, shit. I gotta get Aaron. I gotta get Aaron unblocked, Ryan. I completely forgot, man. That's my fault, bro. That's my fault. George needs a vacation away from necking the bottle. True. But no, guys, like if you guys want to know about this stuff, I don't care. I don't know if you guys care about this, but this is stuff that I've been learning. Like you can go in the chart, right? Go in the chart of every hourly candle. You will literally find that not every single one. Some of them take a while to play out, but you will find that every vector candle always gets recovered at some point, and it can give you an edge, right? It can literally give you an edge. Like we can go say on the 4-hour time frame, right? Look at all these moves, man. Let's look at this consolidation pattern, right? Let's start with the consolidation pattern here, all right? You literally got the move to the downside. So let's start here. We got the move to the downside. We had pink vector candle, which is my red ones. Yellow, okay? What'd you do? Right? Those all popped up. You came back down and retraced. You retraced all those vector candles, okay? And then what happened? You had a blue vector candle down here. What happened? You came back down and retraced that one. And then you had more pop up. All right? So let me clear that out, right? And then you had a pink vector candle pop up here. Yellow vector candle. White. Okay, what did we do? We came right back up, retraced every single one of those. You wicked right back up, right to that one. We didn't get to this pink one. So you might have said, Jordan, we didn't get to that pink one. Well, what did Bitcoin do? Came back down, came back up, and guess what? Right where it wicked to. It wicked right to the top of this pink candle. And then it dumped again. Okay, yellow vector candle, dumped, retook the yellow vector candle. Came back up, came back down, pink vector candle, came back up and took it again. Yellow vector candle, came back down and took it. Pink vector candle, came back up and took the pink vector candle. Pink vector candle, came back up and took the pink one. Came back down again, took the pink one. Came back up, yellow, took the yellow. Came back up, yellow. You guys get the point, man. You always come back to take that liquidity, right? You always came back down to take it. It's literally it is what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Stick to the comedy, homie. Listen. Here's what I'll say. Stick to the comedy. You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. You know what's funny about my channel? I could talk about something the same way someone else does, but just because it's me, you guys will be like, oh yeah, it's Jordan talking about this. That's what I'll say. Just because I like to have fun on my channel means that doesn't know what I'm talking about. That's what I'll say about my channel, man. Is it okay to use MetaMask, or would you recommend a different? Okay. Someone's asking me a question on my phone, man. But I'll answer that later. I don't know why I read it out loud to you guys. He's salty. What do you guys say in the chat? Notice the turnarounds after blues? True. The turnaround after blues. Yeah, you get the blue vector candles, you come back down to the downside. People don't want to take the time to learn it. So what happens is they stick to their little noob symmetrical triangles, right? We stick to the noob symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle! Carl talked about a symmetrical triangle, right? So they stick to those because they're easy to learn, even though they don't really work. They don't want to learn the stuff that actually works, so they just hate on it. I mean, that's really what it is. It's the same thing when people hate on crypto, right? They don't understand it, so they hate on it. You know what I mean? Here's what it is. But once you understand it, you get it. You know what I'm saying? I wish you were my teacher. Let's see. What's going on, Kennedy? Makes me green. I'm salty.
Dollar riot, please.
I'm salty. I like the new style. No more Moon Boy. Tino is GOAT. Now I can make money. Thanks for hanging out. Kennedy. Listen, man, I'm not being a Moon Boy anymore, man. I'm not being a Moon Boy anymore. Honestly, it's tiring being a Moon Boy. It really is.
I'm salty rolling on the floor laughing. I like the new style, Jordan. No more moon.
Let's see.
Moon face boy rolling on the floor laughing. Tino is GOAT. Now I can make money.
V-Chain partners with UFC.
Thanks for hanging out.
I love it because it's fun. Stick to being a clown. Hey, man. I'll stick to being a clown. Bought V-Chain today because I'm a horse boy. Nice. Key Sweat. I'm just reading the chat right now, guys. Movement, that's all we want. Facts, man. I'm waiting for some type of move. The market is just freaking boring right now, man. So there's not really much to talk about, to be honest. It's not really much. It's literally like, you guys remember up here, man? There's literally not much to talk about. Like up here, you guys remember up here. It was freaking boring as hell. It's not quite that boring yet, right? It's only been a month versus up here. It was 3 months of just boring chop, right? Down, up, down, up, down, up, right? Just boring chop, right? But, down, up, down, up, down, up. I mean, it's really just boring chop. But to be honest, I think it's going to play out the same way, if I'm going to be honest. I could be wrong, I could be wrong, but let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Did anyone notice yet? No? No one noticed. No one still noticed. You guys don't know what I'm talking about here. Come on, man. Pay attention. You guys are usually really pay attention in the chat. You guys aren't paying attention in the chat, man. Let's see. Shorting LCX? No. I'm not. I'm only shorting Link. I'm only shorting Linkabaka. Link! Link! Even when it's boring AF. Thanks, Anderson. Thanks for hanging out, man. What are your thoughts on corn? I don't know what that is, bro. I don't know what that is. I know. Someone noticed it. I saw it. Someone noticed it in the chat. Finally, man, someone noticed it. I didn't shave my head. You guys saw the Ben Cowan here earlier, man. You guys saw the Ben Cowan here earlier. All right, we got the daily close. What happened on the daily close, man? 30,090. So, yeah, so we closed that about 30,100. So now we're waiting to see what kind of happens here next, right? Kind of see what happens here next. I got you on Riot, Scott. I got you on Riot. Appreciate the super chat again, Kennedy and Scott, man. And Riot Watt. Appreciate you guys. But yeah, so let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. Let's see. But yeah, so let's see what happens next. I also think we're going to continue down tomorrow, but we'll find out. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It is what it is. We'll take the L here, and we'll move on. That's what you do. That's what you do. Let's see. I didn't notice it. I feel left out. You got to notice it, man. Pay attention to the chat. Someone noticed it. It's pretty obvious if you guys know. You got to pay attention to the chat, man. I'm telling you, it's obvious. All right, Link. Link's still trying to continue up here. So we'll see what happens with Link. What else we got? Man? Like watching paint dry? Tell me about it, man. This is some boring. The last 2 days have been freaking boring. And to be honest, I guess we're due for some boring action because we pumped to the upside, dumped, pumped, dumped, pumped, dumped. I guess we deserve some boring action because we've been literally just been super volatile forever, man. You know what I'm saying? We've been volatile forever. What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover. I'm super excited. Do you guys see the massive symmetrical triangle that's forming here for Bitcoin? Let's go look at the most new pattern in crypto, the symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, so we got lower highs and we got higher highs coming in here for Bitcoin. Okay, you guys can see that we are going to pump to the upside here. We're right on the bottom here. I am super excited what's going to happen here. All right, let me go spam Twitter with a bunch of nonsense. All right, let's type this. Twitter. Bitcoin's going to the moon. There we go. That's a good tweet. That'll get a lot of retweets. What else we got? Let's do Bitcoin looks so bullish today. Rocket ship. Yes. That'll get a lot of retweets today. What else we got? Wow. I'm a Bitcoin maxi. You should all be investing in Bitcoin. To the moon. Spaceship. Okay, perfect. Some of these tweets, guys, I can't deal with crypto. I can't deal, with crypto Twitter, man. I can't deal with crypto Twitter. It's literally just people typing the same BS nonsense over and over and over again, man. It's so annoying. I had to unfollow all those stupid people, man. I only follow people that don't just freaking tweet Bitcoin to the moon and these stupid sayings like Bitcoin is the only hard money in the world. Bro, how many times have you tweeted that? You tweeted that like 10 times this year. Chill out. We get it. We get it, man. Oh my God. These such stupid, pointless tweets, man. I can't deal with crypto Twitter. I can't even deal with crypto YouTube anymore. I don't even watch any crypto tubers. There's only a couple people that I watch. Tino, I watch Lifer sometimes. All right. I can't watch crypto YouTube anymore, man. I can't, man. I can't do it. I can't. It is what it is. Juicy said, crypto, Juicy Crab Dippelganger. Nice. You watch George? I can't.
Yes, you do.
I do watch George, but I'll keep my mouth shut here because I know there's a lot of George fans in here. LTO. Let's check out LTO. 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 What do we got going on here? So LTO. Let's see. We got. Oh, lordy. Oh, it's the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Oh, lordy. Dude, this is exactly the chart. This is exactly what we said the other day. All these altcoins coming back up to test the 50 EMA on the daily. If they get rejected, if they come out to the 50 EMA, they're going to get rejected. This was an easy friggin' short again. Literally, any altcoin that goes to the 50 EMA, you just short. Bada bing, bada boom, man. Dump it. Alright, so you came up and tested the 50 EMA, big wick up it, and you just dumped. Alright, get the daily stocks topped out. Right, but that's a nice pump. Wait, is this today? Oh no, that was yesterday. But nice pump yesterday. Once again, yellow vector candle. I could have told you this was going to come back down, right? Right at the 50 EMA, yellow vector candle, bear market. You're pumping down to the downside. I won't be surprised if this retraces this entire candle here. I won't be surprised. I'm just going to be honest. I would not be surprised if this retraces this entire candle here tomorrow. I would not be surprised whatsoever, man. But yeah, I mean, that's it's really any alt that tests the 50 EMA. I think they're all going to look like this. But time will tell. Ever since Jordan became an alcoholic, I haven't had to beg people for cans. Yeah, you just go inside our apartment and there you go, man. All right. Go. Wow. I need more money for sure. For lungs, because I'm a moon boy. Wow, let's go to Jordan's apartment. We'll find a lot of cans out there. Wow. Okay, 5 cents, 10. Wait, I gotta dip a little bit deeper. Oh my God, is that meatloaf? What the hell did Bob eat? Whatever. 15, 20. I just need 25 cents. Is there one more can in here? Wow, there's another can. Yeah, there it is. There's the Bud Light. There it is. Okay. Wait, there's a Truly in here. Yeah, Truly. 30 cents. Okay, 30 cents for longing. Perfect. I'm going to be a millionaire. That's what George told me. Just DCA. Okay. I'll see you guys. just go outside. All right, 10.6. Oh, I gotta freaking check my head. Dude, look at this. Holy moly, look at that hairline. We're coming back up. Kishin. Can we look at Mana? I got you, man. I got you on Scott on Riot too, man. I completely forgot. LTO, bonking to the downside. Where would I look at it for a retrace, though, if I was looking at this? For a retrace, excuse me. For a retrace, I mean, we can take a fib. Take the swing low to swing high.
Hi, Jordan. Can you please have a look at Mana?
Yeah, so you broke the 618. I'm looking for a 786 retrace on this. You got the 50 EMA and the 786 coming in right around this level. I'm looking for a 786 retrace. You got Bitcoin coming back down again. Let's see what happens on BTC. Let's go back to the 15 minutes. I mean, it just keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down. It's so freaking annoying, man. Let me tell you. Let's see. 2.5 cents beer is better than ADA. Nice. PayPal announcement is bullish for BTC. We'll see. All right, let me do Riot here. Let me do Riot. Dude, so if you're only drinking beer, you aren't an alcoholic. I guess. I'm not an alcoholic, man. All right. Riot. It's not on TradingView, man. Let's go check out it over here. Let's go over here. All right, so Riot. Let's check it out on CoinMarketCap. What do we got going on? Racers. What is this? Riot Racers. Okay. We got number 5,800 on CoinMarketCap. I don't know what this is, man. It's a play-to-earn car racing game where players and participants own parts of the game. Can earn that by simply owning parts of the game. I can't comment on this because I don't know what it is, man. And it's a super low market cap. Yeah, man. I want nothing to do with this. Now, if it goes up, awesome. But I don't have enough time to look at this right now. But The chart looks like this, man. That's all I'll say about riot races. All right? Let's start a riot. That's all I can say about that. All right, here comes BTC. Riot stock. Oh, I got you. Can we look at Mana? Yeah, Mana's gonna look at the same as all other altcoins, man. We could check out Mana, Decentraland. All right, let's see Decentraland. Decentraland. What do we got going on, man? Yeah, I mean, you still have so much liquidity to come back down and take care on Decentraland, man. Just like BTC, I don't see a reason why this doesn't come lower, man. You got all this liquidity back down. You got this wick. You got this vector candle down here. You got all this to come back down and take. Why wouldn't they come back down and take it? You know what I'm saying? They're going to come back down and take this. You got daily stocks crossing to the downside. I don't see a reason why this wouldn't come back down. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Same kind of deal, man. Same kind of deal. If you guys love formations, you guys love patterns. Let's look at our patterns here, right? Same type of deal. So we got vector candles lower, and we also have a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder, looking for that breakdown to the downside into the zone, right? So same type of deal, man. Same type of deal. You're struggling with that 50 EMA. I see Bitcoin going lower, and there it is. All right, here comes Bitcoin lower. Well, we'll see if it breaks down. You get another red vector candle popping here, so we'll see what happens. You got some that means you get some volume coming in. Give me that volume dump, man. Come on, bro. Give me that volume dump. Let's go check out Link. Link the Slink, because I know a lot of people are interested in Link right now. Let's go look, including myself. Let's go check out Link. All right. Let's go to the 15-minute on Link, see what we got cooking here. All right, Link's dumping again. Come on, man. Come on, Link. Get down. Show New Green Dildo who's boss, bruh. Come on, man. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. See what happens for BTC, too. It keeps teasing us, man. Bitcoin keeps teasing us. It's slightly annoying how it keeps teasing us. That's what I'll say. It's like this little tease. It's like this little tease. It's like when Melissa teases Java. Where's Melissa, man? I'm typing in Melissa. Hold on. Boom. Could dumb more out by. It's like when Melissa teases Java. Where the hell is Melissa, man? Melissa, you in here? I know you're in here. Get out of Bob's room, okay? Get out of Bob's room. Come on, man. All right, 30,000 even. 30,000 even. Dump it. Let's see. Where's Melissa when I need her? There she is. Java, you want some of this? Well, guess what? Clinty boy ain't getting it anymore. Oh, there it is. Look at the dump. That was obvious. Clinty boy ain't getting it anymore. No, he's not. There you go, guys. There you go. You wanted it. There you go. All right. Let's all make fun of Jordan again. That was predictable. Wow, look at Clint. Clint, you can't have any of this either, man. None of this. All right, there's the dump on BTC. All right, let's stop being weird here. Let's stop being weird. There it is. There it goes. That wasn't predictable at all. R.I.P. longs. All right, so yeah, Bitcoin dropped to the downside. That's an ugly beach. That's an ugly beach. A lot of people use the word beach as oh, it's probably because you can't say it on YouTube, man. This dump, 29.6. Let's see. Let's go look at Link. All right, who's laughing at my short now? Come on, man. Nolan doesn't know what he's talking about. All right. Anyways, I'm just messing with you guys. 29.7. It's nothing crazy, man. This is just a 15-minute chart. So we came right back to the zone. Look at where we wicked to, man. Come on, man. Look right where we wick to. Right to the bottom of the vector candle. Come on, man. You got... Come on, man. Come on, man. We're all laughing. Look how happy this bear is this. A whole point... minus 0.02%. No, we came right back to the vector candle. Let's see if we continue down. We broke out of our... we'll see where we close here. We got a long hourly candle here. But, yeah, so we broke down from our little descending triangle. There we go, there we go, there we go. It's a good thing he's humble when he's right. Listen, the only reason I'm trolling you guys is because you guys were trolling me. Okay, you were trolling me, man. So, you want to troll me, I'll troll you right back. That's what we do on this channel, man. We troll each other. We troll each other, man. See you later, Crypto 2025.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
No, in reality, it's not a huge move, man. It's not a huge move. I mean, in reality, we just came back down to the lows that we've been at a million times. We came down 1, right? We came 2. We came 3. And now we wicked down to this just general level here. So, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. IGG models Instagram calling me. Nice, man. Nice, man. Let's see if this retraces the whole move now. Let's look at Link. So Link trying to come back up as we speak. Let's see if we retrace the whole move. That would be fitting. That would be very fitting if we retrace the whole move. We troll each other and our mother. Facts. Wayne, when you end up homeless like me and Jordan, you can stand up with us asking Rich a-holes if they have any spare coins. Facts. Facts, facts, facts. Fake out probably? I'm not convinced in a fake out, guys. I told you earlier. The stock market's absolutely got destroyed. Literally got destroyed earlier, man. You know what I'm saying? Like literally. Like Bob is panicking right now. Bob is going nuts. Did you see the stock market today? Did you see it? Bitcoin's going to zero. SHIB is going to zero. We are screwed. We are literally just starting a recession. I watched Fox News today, and they said a recession is coming. It's not like people are already struggling. It's not like credit card debt is the highest it's been since 1980. It's not like that. No. It's not like prices of goods are up 3x already. No, a recession is coming right now. It's coming right now. Hasn't even started yet. Hasn't even started. We are so fucked. We are fucked. Bob is going nuts, man. No, but in reality, man. In reality, the recession has already been here for a while, man. I mean, let's be honest. Let's be honest. It's already been here for a long time. Just look at everything around us, man. Just look at everything around us. Open your eyes to the facts. Okay? Yeah, we'll see what the print we get is. If we follow this, you guys remember we looked at this before? This is like the inflation rate, and there's a perfect trend line, right? So we had like 1920, which we topped out right here. This is the inflation rate. We topped out perfectly right here. We topped out perfectly right here. We topped out perfectly right here. This is not a coincidence, man. All right, I'll give you 3 might be a coincidence. If we top out right here again at 8.3%, there's no way this is not a coincidence. There's no way this is not programmed. Okay, and I don't mean to sound like a conspiracy theorist, but there's no way. I refuse to believe that 4 data points of a perfect trend line is not a coincidence, man. Okay, literally. So, anyways, we'll see it. We'll see if it ends up being lower. We'll see if it ends up being lower. That's all I'll say. You own that debt. We all own that debt. Facts. All right, let's see. I thought you liked a lot of zeros, Bobby. True. Bob kind of wants the prices to go down, I guess. Right? In theory. All right, links are tracing back to the upside. What's Ethereum doing right now? So it's ETH dropped to 1768. Wow, Ethereum got pretty close to the lows. 1700 is ETH low. It's at 1767. It just wicked to like 1745. Anyone just DCA? Let me know in the chat. Did anyone just DCA on that little dip? Okay? Did anyone DCA? Are you guys waiting it out to tomorrow? Let me know in the chat. Did you guys DCA? Obviously, I'm live right now, so I did not DCA. But I might after the stream. If Bitcoin keeps dumping here and gets to like the low 29,000s, I might DCA off stream here. I might DCA. I'm about due time to do a little DCA, man.
2021. Traders are idiots. 2021. Jordan is a traitor.
That's facts. Listen, the thing about me is if I make a mistake and I'm wrong about something, I will admit it. Okay? I will totally freaking admit it. Right? Did I say traders are idiots in 2021? Yes. Okay? I think there's a time and place. If you're in a range, right, it's a very predictable range where you're literally going up and down and the same support and resistance 8 times, there's a time and place to trade. Okay? If you're in a freaking bull market, you don't need to trade. Okay? If you're in a bear market, listen, the trend is your friend to the end. Short every pump. It's worked every single time. I'm okay with admitting my mistakes. Okay? I'm literally okay with admitting my mistakes, man. If you're in a bear market, short every pump. You've literally killed it every single pump. So, that's what I'll say. Take it for what it is. Most people won't admit their mistakes in this space. They think they're always right. They only show their wins, not their losses. It is what it is. Okay? Take it for what it is. I also sold Crow before it did a 10x. I also bought XRP when it was $3 and something cents. Take it for what it is, man. All right. Clint said, nope, limit buy set lower. Already bought this level. Got you. Clint. So now Clint's a bottom dweller? God, I can't keep up with what Clint does. Clint was trying to troll me a week ago saying, all right, Jordan, I don't think your buy orders are ever going to get hit. And now Clint's bottom dwelling. Oh, Lord, man. Clint. This is Clint right now. No, I didn't DCI. Hey, Mom, can you grab me some donuts at Dunkin' Donuts? Yeah, can you get me 2 glazed, 2 chocolate frosted, and, yeah, they have this new cornbread donut. Yeah, can you get me 5 of those? Yeah, that's it for now. I'll send you out later. Thanks, Ma. Thank you. Yeah, I'm waiting for 25K to buy more. I'm the bottom dweller. I don't DCA until I think it hits the absolute bottom. I don't think it's gonna hit the absolute bottom. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm waiting to DCA. No, I'm just fucking with you, Clint. Listen, you can call me a bottom dweller too. My bigger buy orders are are lower as well. If I DCA today, it'll just be a small DCA. It'll be nothing crazy. So I guess you can call me a bottom dweller too. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I had 2 chocolate frosted earlier. I actually had a cornbread donut today. Guys, if you have a Dunkin' Donuts near you, which I'm sure you guys all do, you need to try the cornbread donut, bro. You need to try the cornbread donut. I'm telling you, the cornbread donut is the best donut at Dunkin' Donuts. Don't at me. Don't at me. Is that what the kids say nowadays? Don't at me? I have no idea. I'm not hip. I'm not hip anymore. Don't at me, bro. All right. Anyways. Thank you, Clint. All right. 29.8. See what Bitcoin does here. I mean, we got a little bit of move to the downside. In reality, it wasn't that big. I was sort of exaggerating here. Link has retraced the entire move. Link dump and retrace the entire move. Let's see if it lasts here. Holy moly, Link retracing the entire move. The good thing is now you got a vector candle popping up here on Link. You have no vector candles to take to the upside here. You still could maybe retrace back up and still take this wick up here. But now you got a yellow vector candle. Now you have a wick down here on the downside, which is good. I feel pretty safe right now. I feel pretty safe. So we'll see what happens. And you got Bitcoin dumping, so I feel pretty safe on my Link short at the moment, man. That's all I'll say. Why would you buy here? We haven't hit the bottom because no one really knows where the bottom is going to be, and I think anywhere below 30K is a value. Is a value. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Jordan, when someone subscribe, you see the price of Bitcoin over it. Wait, what? When someone subscribes, you see the price of Bitcoin over it? What does that even mean, man? What does that even mean? Link has the hype right now in his favor. That's facts, man. That's facts. We'll see what happens with Link, though. cornbread with the hole in the middle. Oh, dude, the corn. I'm telling you, that cornbread is delicious. I'm telling you. It's not like regular cornbread. You know what I'm saying? It was decent. Let's see. On the screen, we know where the bottom is at on that spine where the fingers go. All right, you want fingers by my spine? Here we go. You guys want to play that song? Here we go. It's the last. It's the last song, so I can't wait till it plays. I would totally play it. I need to add it on here. That song actually slaps. I don't care what you say. I know any song that I pick. Here's the thing about you guys. You guys are super funny in the chat. I could pick any song, literally any song, and you guys would troll me for it. It could be anything. It could be the best song in the world, and you guys would be like, Jordan, this song kind of sucks. We need another song. Or it could be a mid-tier song, and you guys like, Jordan, what is this song, man? It could be any freaking song, and you guys would troll me, man. That's why I love you guys. That's why I love you guys. And I know it's going to come, and that's why sometimes I like to troll you guys and do funny stuff. Or do weird shit, because I know you guys are going to troll, and it's fun, man. Finger down my spine. This song sucks. Let's see. 1K viewers on bear market makes me bullish for bull market. You have no idea, man. Don't care what songs you pick, just change them up for the love of God. Very true. Guys, I'll say, I don't mind the old songs. I was just so sick of those songs. You got to understand, a lot of you guys watch every day, but I listen to those songs twice a day, probably more. Okay, so I was so sick of those freaking songs, right? The freaking one that's like I was about to literally tell Savvy to come over here and slap me with his Elliott Wave. I was so sick of that song, man. That song makes my day. Enjoyable crab markets. Facts. I thought it was really good. Thank you, Dan. That song slaps. Let's see. They get stuck in my head. I feel you. I'm so sick of that song, man. Island Boy song. Yeah, the Island Boy song was so annoying. All right. When likes, said Dan. I don't know when like. People can like whenever they want. If they enjoy the stream, they can. Let's see. Creighton said, we would never do that. Clint might. Okay, and Dan. Keith too. Definitely Fly. I don't know about Maya. Mike and Digi as well. But that's about half, so not everyone. You guys would all troll me. Let's see. Elliott Wave probably hung like a horse. That's funny, man. All right, let's continue to watch this. Link. Just doing Link things. Bitcoin coming down, still really not doing too much. Still trying to come down, but really not doing anything convincing at the moment. Really just in a range, bro. Really just in a range. All right, let's see. No Bart Simpsons. We haven't seen a Bart Simpson in a while. I was so sick of these Bart Simpsons, man. So sick of these Bart Simpsons. The cornbread tastes like the glazed chocolate, but cornbread, or kind of like blueberry munchkins. I worked at Dunkin'. It's very similar, but I think it's better. All right, 29,698. Bitcoin's still just chilling in this green box zone. If it breaks this green box zone, we're coming back down down here to the lows, man. Back down to 29.2, which I guess isn't technically the lows, but that would be the next level I'm watching there. If we do break this current zone that we're looking at the moment, man. Let's see. That was the only song that I liked. Oh, Fear and Greed. Let's check out the Fear and Greed. What do we got today in the Fear and Greed next? Let's do a little refresh. We got trading.com. They know I'm trading now. They know I'm trading, man. Holy moly, man. Jordan, you came to the dark side. That's why you're getting those ads. Don't pay that $30. Don't pay for any trading group. They're all fake. The best incentives are the ones you keep. Start trading Forex $30 with us. Wow, they know. They're listening. Oh no, they're listening. What else do they know? Oh God. Thank God they don't know what I searched last night. Thank God they don't know. Thank God they don't know what I searched last night. I can't have those ads pop up on mine. I can't. Thank God they don't know what Java searches. We got 34%, 34%, 31, 20. It's the same like percentage off. I'm still salty because when I ordered my last pair of True Classic tees, I did not get any off because I did not click the damn links on the Fear and Greed. We're at 13. Somehow we went down and the Fear and Greed went up. All right, what does George have to say about the Fear and Greed index today? Let's see what George has to say. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today I have no good actual reason why Bitcoin's going to go up. So we're going to talk about the Fear and Greed index for about the 60th day in a row. So we know that Bitcoin's in a downtrend, but look with the clump, guys. Every time that Bitcoin makes a clump on the Fear Every time Bitcoin makes a clump on the Fear and Greed index, it always leads to higher price action, guys. So Bitcoin's gonna go up, right? Let's go look at the last couple of times we had a big clump. So we had December 2018, right? That was a bottom. We had right here August of 2018. That wasn't a bottom. That wasn't a bottom. Shit. We had May 2018. Oh shit, that wasn't a bottom either. Oh shit. So this actually doesn't mean shit. Oh shit, man. This doesn't mean absolutely anything. Oh, we had a clump right here in January. Oh, shit, that wasn't the bottom, man. The clump. Oh, shit, they're on to me. They know my Fear and Greed TA doesn't mean anything. Shit, man. What am I supposed to say now? Yeah, we have a clump on the Fear and Greed. I'm just going to completely ignore it. We have a clump on the Fear and Greed. This means we're going to go up to the upside, guys. We going to go up. This is all I have to look at today. But, yeah, we going to go up. Now let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. Okay. George, why do you always look at the Fear and Greed index? It doesn't mean anything. All right, you're banned. You're banned. You're banned. I need to hire a TJ, man. You're banned in the chat. George, why squarish head? My head's not square, man. It means that I'm super, super smart. It means I'm smarter than you. Get out of my chat. You're banned too. Somebody made a clump. Somebody made a clump in their pants. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, back over here. Back over here to Bitcoin. Link's pumping. No! No! Oh, Lord. R.I.P. Link is pumping. We're all dumber for having heard that. So I can keep my mouth shut here. There's a lot of George fans. Don't wanna party. Where's Fashad, by the way? We need Fashad. No, Link. Link. No, here's what's gonna happen, man. We have this wick. Don't get faked out by the W formation. You got blue stopping volume coming in here. Blue vector candle popping up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay? Wait for it. Wait for it. What's Bitcoin doing right now? Bitcoin's still chilling. Let's see what happens here on Link. I'm waiting for Link to come back up. Take this vector. Take this wick up here. Let's see if Jordan gets stopped out here. Let's see. Let's see if Jordan gets stopped out of his trade. So we got blue vector candle popping up here. Let's see what happens. $10 waiting room. $10 waiting room. Vector candle pump. We love the blue vector candle, man. Look at Luna. We can look at Luna real quick. We'll come back to Link in a second. Luna. Fashad swimming with fish. True. Let's go look at Luna. What the hell was that? Move! 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 Go! Go! I got a short chain link. Go! I gotta get home. That's not annoying. Shut off your damn car alarm, bro. Holy moly, what's wrong with people in this city? They let their car alarm go off for freaking 20 minutes, man. Holy moly, man. Look at Luna. We got the new Luna. Luna. Holy moly, man. Bro. Truth through Christ. What's going on, man? I want to learn more. Bro. Holy shiza, man. Dump it. Oh, my Lord. What are you doing?
I want to learn more about
Throw a rock at it.
good channel to watch. Also,
Close your window? Okay. I gotta close the window, man.
we need a crash course.
Hold up. Dude, I literally just closed the window and it stops. Oh my Lord. I closed the window and it freaking stops, man. Who are these idiots, man? God damn, people are idiots. Like, you can't find your car. It takes you that long? Come on, man. These people are idiots. I closed the window, and right when I close it, you guys have this timing in life? I close the window, okay? And instantly when I close it, the car alarm stops. You gotta be literally kidding me, man. It's crazy. What's going on, Crane? 11 months for Creighton? You're nuts, bro. Who do I recommend for trading? Go check out Tino, man. Chino Traders Reality, the best trader in the interwebs. The only one that's actually worth watching, in my personal opinion. But he's a little bit different. You've got to watch for a little bit to understand what he's talking about. But that's what I'll say, man. That's what I'll say. Oh, I just noticed the super chats are when they pop up on the screen, they're underneath. I see what you're saying. They're underneath the price now. I see. Let's see. Lob a grenade. He said lob a grenade. Oh, Lord. That sounds terrible, man. He said lob a grenade. It fits the stream. Unexpected. Very, very true. Very, very true. Like the new tune? Thank you, Proud Gun Owner. Let's see. Would be hilarious if Jordan's car just got... That's funny, man. What do you think about the Fed meeting tomorrow? I don't know, man. We'll find out, man. I mean, we never really know what's going to happen until it does, so... You know? Don't watch BitBoy? No, I don't. I don't ever been watching BitBoy, man. To be honest, not recently. To be honest, man. There's no volume on Bitcoin's chart. There actually is no volume at the moment, man. There is zero volume. What's the link doing? I gotta go check my linky boy here. Let's see. Mitch Ray gets angry in bear markets. Why does he get angry, man? Why does he get angry? There's no reason to be angry. There's zero reason to be angry. Why you be angry? These are the times that we want. Without bear markets, guess what? We ain't getting what we want. You're not going to get rich just being in a bull market. Okay? You need bear markets to make money. You literally need bear markets to make money. You need bear markets to make money. You need the price to go down to make money. Why am I saying money like that? I don't know, but I like it. Money. Okay? You need them. You can't go anywhere without them. Let's see. Savvy must be real happy now. Facts. Just go to DXY. Yeah, we know the DXY is going up, man. We know that the DXY is moving up here. I mean, this rising wedge got absolutely obliterated. And that's why I always say, like, you can't do TA on the DXY, man. All I'll say is, like, the daily was pointing to a move back to the upside. Right? Bro. You can't move to the downside 50 EMA. right? The 50 EMA was pointing a move back to the upside, okay? You got that move to the upside, right? Bro. There hasn't been a car alarm all day. All day. But when I stream, we got 2. You gotta be kidding. All right, it's off. It's off. But yeah, you can't. The DXY is gonna do its own thing, man. It's really gonna do its own thing. It is. All day. All day. And you got 2. He said, I like pizza. Nice. Nice, man. Trolled. Jabba is stealing. Before it was annoying, now it's kind of funny. Man, it's not funny for me, man. I can't talk over that. You're in a violent area of New York City, dude. Gotta be. I guess so. I guess so. Everyone's stealing cars out here. Listen, I'm a little cheeky. Wait, wait, guys. For everyone in the UK, what does cheeky mean? I always wonder what cheeky means. Like, I always hear him say, "Ooh, this guy's a little cheeky. This guy's a little cheeky." What's cheeky? What is cheeky? So can someone tell me in the chat? I want to know what cheeky means. I'm generally curious because I always hear people say it, and I kind of want to use it, but I don't want to be that weirdo that's like, "Yo, you look cheeky," and it means like, and they look at me like this, right? I want to say, "Yo, what's going on, my cheeky friend?" All right, what's going on, my cheeky friend? And he go and they look at me like this. Hold up. Where do they look at me like this? Oh, they look at me like this. Hold up. What did you just call me? You just call me cheeky? Oh, boy. Come here, boy. You just call me cheeky? Do not call me cheeky again. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. I do not want it to call someone cheeky and then and then get absolutely destroyed. Cheeky means cheeky, fruity, quick-witted, smug. Interesting. Palajek said you have access. All right. Thank you, Palajek. You have access to the internet. You have access to the internet right in front of you when you ask that question. Palajek. Thank you, Captain Obvious. All right? Palajek always coming in like Captain Obvious. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Showing a lack of respect or politeness in a way that is amusing or appealing. that kind of describes me. I'm kind of cheeky. I'm kind of cheeky. Think about it. Showing a lack of respect or politeness in a way that is amusing or appealing. Come on. Does not describe me. I'm kind of cheeky. Come on, man. I think I'm kind of cheeky. I hope I'm saying it in the right way. All right, what's Chainlink up to? Chainlink. I would being annoying on Chainlink. So far, so good. So far, so good on Mr. Chainlink. You know, not much has really changed, but, you know, let's see if they get this M formation back down to the downside. Let's see. We still got some liquidity down here. I mean, guys, we have... we got a blue vector candle down here. We got a yellow vector candle down here that we can still come back down to. Very interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff on Chainlink. So we'll continue to watch Chainlink and BTC. It's 8:46. Holy moly, man. Holy moly. I like clapping cheeks. I mean, clapping cheeks is fine, man. What's wrong with clapping cheeks? I just came back after a 2-month break to the car alarm. What's going on, Haven Peck? Nice to see you, man. Get cheeky with it. Na. With that hat backwards, you are. Thank you, man. I am very cheeky. Let's see. Jabba is definitely cheeky. Jabba's cheeky too. That's for sure. Oi, bruv. You want to have a free elf kit? Aye, bruv. You want to have a free elf kit? I honestly don't know. We don't say that in Texas. Yeah, we don't really say cheeky in the U.S. unless you are from England. All right. And I actually am. Here's what I am, guys. I figured out that I'm Italian recently, so I am a large part Italian. So now it makes sense why I can do Italian accents, right? I am Mario. You guys are making fun of me. I am Mario. I like pasta, and yes, I can say it because I am Italian. I am Italian, so I can say it. I like a pasta. Yes, I like a pasta, and I like to have a squiggly mustache. But I can say it. You know why? Because I am Italian. See how it works in 2022? If you are something, you can say it. So, yes, I am Italian. I like pizza. I can say it. So screw you. The guy said you can't say that stuff. I am Italian, baby. I can say that. I can make fun of myself because that's how it works in 2022. You can be offensive towards yourself. Anyways, 29,866. We chilling. Now that explains the hairline. Facts. The worst Italian accent ever. Hey, but I can do it because I am Italian. That's the most un-Italic thing I've ever heard. That's true. That's true. You're Irish? I'm Irish, Italian, and something else, man. Something else in like the Middle East. I forget. You're half Indian? Let's see. Yeah, maybe a small percent Italian injured boy. Hey, did you guys actually know this? I actually Googled this the other day, so I like to Google shit. Did you guys know this? Only 10%, I believe this is true, only 10% of Irish people have red hair. So for all you guys that want to make fun of my fellow brethren, okay, my fellow brethren here, just know that we don't all have red hair, right? So keep that in mind. Actually, I think it was like 1% of the population has red hair, and 10% of the population in Ireland has red hair. Something along those lines. All right? Don't quote me on that. That's what I saw on Google. Okay? Google's always right. We know. Google's always right. All right. Chainlink. We chilling on Chainlink. Bitcoin. We got 10 minutes into the close. So I'm going to wait to the close here, guys. I'm going to at least wait to the close to see what happens here. If we get the close right here, let's see what happens. Ethereum, we know, broke to the downside. Kind of, sort of. That's retracing that move too. We'll see what happens on ETH too. Big retrace on both of those, to be honest. Let's see. Only 10% of the population is left-handed. I'm a freak. Nice. Everyone can Google, but can you Yahoo? Not many people. Only a ginger can call another ginger. Try to say that fast. Can't say that fast. The other 90% drink until blackout drunk. Very true. I got like 4 red hairs in my beard. Mostly Irish. Yeah, I have a red beard, if you want to call it that, as well. All right, what do we got? What's the relationship between Bitcoin and the DXY? The Bitcoin generally moves inversely correlated to the DXY. So you're seeing the DXY come up here. You see in Bitcoin generally come to the downside, right? DXY has been going up since, I mean, we can go all the way back down here in the daily. It's really been going up since May of 2021, right? And we know Bitcoin, generally speaking, with the pump to the upside, which, you know, you could argue should have happened or not. Bitcoin has generally, since May of 2021, been going to the downside, right? So they're inversely correlated. They're going to do the opposite usually. Doesn't always have to be the opposite, right? Like last summer, the DXY went up and Bitcoin went up too. It's not always perfect, but generally speaking, they're inversely correlated. DXY to the moon? Yeah. DXY to the moon as of right now. So we'll see if that continues. Worst Italian impression ever. No, it's not. I am Italian. So I can say it now. It is not offensive because I can say it because I am officially Italian. Okay? Just like I said, I can say it now. Google's always right until you have a slight... That's so true. Anytime something's wrong with you, you Google it, it's going to say you have cancer. Every single time. Every single time. It could be like, my cheek hurts. And it's like, oh no. You have cancer in your throat. And it's like, what? And you... I don't want to... I'm saying I'm not going to make jokes about that. But that's so true about Google. That's why never look at the worst case scenario for Google, right? never look at the worst case scenarios for Google. They're always going to tell you like the worst possible thing is wrong with you, right? Your finger hurts. Guess what? You have a herniated disc in your back, right? It's always the worst thing. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. BTC dump. Never Google illnesses. Facts. You played enough Mario, bro. No, I haven't. I have not played enough Mario. I love the Mario sounds. They're my favorite sounds. ETH, Link. Come on, Link. Give me that M formation. Bop right to the back to the downside. But all the Moon Boys FOMO'd in at the top here. Where's all my Moon Boys in the chat? I'm right here. I'm right here, Jordan. I'm watching. Don't worry, I'm watching. I always watch you. What kind of pattern is that? It looks like McDonald's. Wow. I think I'm going to FOMO. I like that M. Is that a bullish pattern? Well, it must be, because George is bullish, and I always trust George. And so if there's a McDonald's pattern, it must be bullish. I'm going all in. Wow, I just FOMO'd. Wow, look at Bitcoin. Wow. Dump it. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Who FOMO'd at the top here? Who FOMO'd? Let me know in the chat. Someone FOMO'd. The horse. That's a W? Moon Boys not watching? The Moon Boys? Probably not. I think all the Moon Boys are mad at me. Because I've been bearish. I think all the Moon Boys have been mad at me. If you're a Moon Boy, you're not mad at me, let me know in the chat. At heart, guys, I'm still a Moon Boy. Okay? At heart, I am still a Moon Boy. Okay? I will always be a Moon Boy at heart. But I gotta taper down the Moon Boy. Okay? For my own good. It's tiring being a Moon Boy every day, guys. It really is. I am still a Moon Boy at heart, but I need to be a realist Moon Boy. Okay? I need to be a realist boy. I will not touch my hodl bags. Okay? They will always be there. So I am a Moon Boy at heart. But I must taper it down because it's impossible to be a Moon Boy every day and be sane. It is. I don't know how George, like I said, I don't know how George does it, man. I don't. He must be going insane every day. I'm not mad at you. Thank you. Thank you. Not mad. Thank you. Not a Moon Boy, but happily a spaceman. This is just an irregular sine wave. Clint, I don't know what that means. Stop using big words. Okay? The only big word I know is vector. Okay? I don't know what that means, bro. Give me in English terms what that just meant, please. Not mad at you? Nice. Not mad. Wow, no one's mad at me, man. Why would we be mad at you? Don't worry. Call of Duty will occupy us during bear market. Call of Duty? I haven't played Call of Duty in forever. I used to be so good at Call of Duty. I would join your lobby and I'd be dropping 60 and 2 in a public match. No, but I used to actually be really good at Call of Duty back in the day. I used to be kind of a nerd. I am a nerd still. Let's be honest. I am still a nerd. But guess what? Nerds are successful. Yeah, I used to play Call of Duty like kind of. I used to play it competitively. Now I wasn't like a pro or anything, but I used to play like on. You guys remember game battles back in the day? Oh, I was all over game battles. Way back in like the Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare 2, Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2. Back in those days, oh, your boy was rocking it. I could join your lobby and take you guys down, man. I could take you guys down to Goblin Town in every single game. You want to face me? Let's go. Google it. I can't explain in terms you need in order for you to comprehend. I got you. Lunac pumped. Going to short it. Oh, Luna Classic pumped. I'm sure it did. You got to short it? Let's see, man. Luna C? Or is it Luna Classic? Let's see. Luna Classic pumped. You're gonna short it, okay? Let's see. It did kind of pump, huh? I see what you're doing. Oh man, it's tempting. It is very, very tempting. I think this. Let's see what we're looking at here. It's tempting. Just be careful shorting this one, man. This one. That's a little degen. That's very, very degen. Just be careful on this. Let's go back to the hourly on Luna Classic. Let's see what we're looking at here. Looks like you might have a little bit of a cup and handle formation. But like you can't get back over that 200 EMA on the 1 hour. And it's a little degen. But you do have vector candles galore down here. Bop, bop, bop. You have vector candles galore down here. But a little bit degen for my taste, I would say. That could go either way. You have a cup and handle formation that could break to the upside. But you also have vector candles looking low. It's not the edge I'm looking for. You're right at resistance though, right? So take that in mind. You know what I'm saying? And I bagged 180% off that Luna Classic long. Nice. I played for years under the same name, Bear Guts. Nice. Do you remember Clan Wars? I remember Clan Wars back in the day. Do a Call of Duty stream for extra dry powder. I don't know if anyone would watch me play Call of Duty, man. I would rage so hard on that. I would rage so freaking hard. I don't know if anyone would actually watch me play that, man. I honestly haven't even played the new one. I haven't played both the new ones. He called us degen. How sweet he likes us. We're all degens in here, honestly. Anyone in crypto is kind of a degen, if you think about it. Everyone in crypto is a degen. Especially if you're investing in altcoins, you're a degen. But guess what? Degens have balls. And degens come in and have the balls to buy low. Okay? Or FOMO. You know, one of the two. One of the two. All right. So, all right, we got the close. Let's go with that Bitcoin on the hourly close. So Bitcoin closed below on the hourly. Let's see what happens next. Let me go check real quick. Let me go check out Link here real quick. DJ Big Boss. All right, so Link, 935. Link, you better not do this to me, man. Don't do this to me. Come back down, brother. The political house is coming in. All right, guys, I've been live for freaking 2 hours here, actually longer. If you include the pregame lobby, 2 hours and 10 minutes. It's been an awesome stream. I mean, listen, there's not much price action here for Bitcoin. We did finally get out of this stupid range we've been in for 2 days, so that's good. Watch out for tomorrow. So we got the I think it's the CPI at 8:30 tomorrow. I could be wrong about that. I have to double check. So we got some interesting I guess news coming tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot of good stuff coming up that could dictate price action, right? Next week.
Without going into too much detail,
FOMC meeting. I mean, we got some interesting things coming up. So let's stay vigilant. Let's stay on the grind, and hey, let's continue to accumulate during this bear market, and we'll come out the other side stronger, right? Continue to learn, right? Continue to get better at whatever you're doing in life, and hey, we'll get through this, guys. We'll get through this, all right? So catch you guys tomorrow. We'll be live at 8:30 actually, right at that time. 8:30 a.m. right at the CPI date. It's perfect, all right? So I'll see you guys at 8:30 tomorrow. Be there, or well, I guess don't be there. Catch you guys later. All right. Have a good night. Don't do anything I would do. Don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. Don't stare at the charts all night, guys. Unless you're in a short like me. All right. Link, go down, man. Please. Dump it. See you guys. Peace. Maji!